How to add transition in Clipchamp. Got two or more clips in your timeline? Perfect. Let's add some transition to make them blend like a butter. Look over to the left side and click transition. Yup, the tab with little arrow flipping. You will see cool effects like crossfade, slide, glitch and more. Just drag your favorite transition and drop it between two clips on your timeline. That's it. It will snap right in between and show up as a little box. You can even adjust the duration if you want it smoother or quicker. Mix and match. Want your intro to fade in and your outro to glitch out? Go for it. Clipchamp lets you drop different transition between different clips. And here's the pro tip. Don't overdo it. Too many transition make videos chaos. Now click play and preview the magic. Looks smooth. Hit export and your video will render with all the transition in place. Boom! You have just taken your editing to the next level. If this was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more fast tutorials.